Just Heather's got the bugs.
Starting planet exploration.
Alright.
I'm here. Oh, you think
How good your skill is using. What is this? Oh.
y'all are during the show quite I'm so perfect. Go.
This kind of reminds me of Contra. Oh, this stuff you actually buy.
Increase attack power by 2 when taking damage. Sold out. Oh, you bought the other one. Damn, bruh. Did you buy the Brawler Silver Tooth?
I bought. Yeah, I did.
Damn. That would have been perfect on my nigga. I guess let's get this one. Attack power by 2. When taking damage, stacks 100 times. Okay. It's not that bad then. Teleport. Damn, sorry.
Alright, I guess we just go this. No.
Alright.
Go this way.
Hold on, can we go back to this upgrade thing? No.
There's a gate over here. I don't.
Yeah, there's something, there's a little teleport thing on the ground.
Alright, well, I'm using it. I used it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh nah. Okay, calm down. What's this? Increase critical chance to blah blah. Yeah, I need this. Thank you. Increase critical hit chance. See, I would take that, but you know, broke as fuck. What's this? 5 shield. Blah, blah, blah. Take that one too. So if I come over here. Okay.
What is this?
I don't fucking know. Oh, you traded your weapon. I can't do
It's
it.
like gauntlets. Alright, Shock all instinct of paralyzed enemies with any attack. Attacking the same target multiple times. Shock some resistant attack effect. Just go down for one, taking damage. Alright, now let's this one so. I guess I'm use these.
Alright, peace out.
Warning.
Oh.
Hostile presence.
A couple big boys here.
There's a gun or something right here, I think. This?
What
That's
about?
something you can pick up?
No.
Little shit on the ground? Oh, I can't pick it up.
Oh, what the fuck? Acquire. Oh.
It tells you what you do. It tells you what it is on the bottom left.
50% attack power increase at the start of a level. You know, whatever. I don't care.
Moving to the next planet.
Alright.
Starting planet exploration.
Like about weapons.
Oh.
Weapon power. Recovery support.
Alright, and then what is this? Increased movement speed, yes. Generate shield, no. Alright. What's over here? Let's see, freeze effects last twice as long, and ally movement speed increase. Increase weapon power and attack speed. No.
Boss fight.
Ew, bruh. Oh, shit.
Oh.
You see all this damage I'm doing to her, right?
The night has begun.
I'm doing 8,000.
I did like
4,800.
I was doing like 12,000 because I'm better than you.
And nigga, you shoot. What's this?
Years of
Jumbler hammer. Power hammer equipped with an explosive module.
There's a little shop thing over here.
Attacking the same target multiple times sets them on fire. Releasing attack impact after the first and second. Increase X HP by 50%.
There's another shop over here. Let's see, I'm broke as fuck, so I can't pay for anything.
Invincible for 15 seconds when HP is 30%. 5% attack increase after every stage. Alright, okay.
Yeah, you gotta get that out of my face. Garbage.
I mean, bro, you don't want none of that. You don't want to get hit with that.
No, bro. My bullets are faster.
No, don't worry about that. I eat those.
Nah, my bullets are faster.
I eat those.
Starting
Nah.
planet exploration.
That's a snack, bro.
Yeah, okay. Ew. Ew. Oh, bro, these things are. Oh, damn. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. I'm dead.
What the fuck is this?
Hey, bro, go to my card.
Caster?
Go to my card, bro. Somewhere back where we
Where'd you go?
spawn, bro. There it is. I got 2 hit, bro.
God,
Mind your business. Not back and deal. Let's see. You know what?
It's cooldown with 30%.
Yeah. Alright.
Hit these little, these 3 boxes. They give you some of that money. Yeah, look at this one.
Yeah,
I
I
picked it up and I was like, well, I don't want that shit.
What's this?
The first.
That thing right there?
How's that? Nigga?
That's what 2 hit me.
Purple?
The thing that is going crazy.
Ah, he silenced me. Yeah, I got fucking silenced. I can't use the skill.
Bro, you can get off my ass. How about that?
He's following me. Yeah, he's following me. Okay. Then here. 20% defense. 20% defense.
Alright, okay. I guess I need the health then, huh?
Yeah, go ahead. My DPS is 4,900.
Where does it say? Oh, mine's 2,000.
Above the map. Mine goes up as I attack though. So I have that thing that every time I hit, I start doing more damage. Oh. I don't know, that nigga looked like he hits hard.
Good thing I got that freeze thing, huh?
Followers have tracked you down.
50% movement speed increase to all enemies. Oh shit.
Hey bro, my health is not low, don't lie.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Y'all can hop off.
I'm finna die. No bro, I'm not getting hit with that shit.
Alright, see you later. Get on my face. What is this? Oh! I don't. Oh, I think that's health. No, no, it's not. Don't do that. Hey, bro, those green things?
I died, bro.
Where's your...
Right.
How do I... How do I...
You just stand there.
What is that? Is that mine? That's mine. I need that. This is yours, apparently. Ignore 20% of enemies' defense, 20%.
They have rarity. They have a rarity. So like the... And they have a weapon power.
Damn! Look at these things. Look at them. Look, look.
Damn, look, this nigga just swinging. Look at this.
Alright, 50% credit. Thank you, I need that. Additional dash. Sure. Alright.
Heal scope, 2% chance to recover 1%. Max health. Yeah, we're gonna get that.
Alright, did we go this way now? Yeah. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Hey bro, my health kinda low.
Bro, look at this. Look at this.
Damn! Alright, what's this?
Okay.
I need health and defense, bro. Let's see. I'll take that one. My crit chance has got to be at least like 100 now, bro. Swear. I guess we're going down here.
Warning. Hostile presence.
Oh. 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 Damn. Oh, I died. Oh. Oh, now I died. Hey, bro, there's a big ass scorpion.
Warning.
Trying to get to your
Warning.
fight, niggas. Oh my god.
They are guarding that with their life. Almost done. Oh, go back, go back, go back. Alright, I'm here.
I was actually dropped off. I think about it, alright.
Alright.
Want them weak ass gauntlets.
There's a shop right here.
Let's go.
Yeah, go ahead and give me that defense. Thank you. Alright. Yeah, bro. So I want to see you dodge this.
I just block it.
Oh, yeah? How about this one? Wait.
Block.
How about that one? Yeah! Yeah!
Block.
Yeah, bro. What's up?
Alright, put that shit out the way. Block. Block.
Yeah, okay.
Block.
Yeah.
Block. Block.
Yeah.
Block. Get the shit out of me. Look this one, bro. Yeah.
You missed. You missed. You missed. Alright, bro, good one. You real good at that.
I'm beating the fuck out of them clones. Don't worry about it.
Getting kind of fun.
Starting planet exploration.
Breakers are remotely controlled battlesuit. Oh, so these are robots?
What is this?
Ain't niggas in this shit.
Alright, 10% damage to bosses. Okay.
20% damage to boss. Oh, there's a couple of boxes. Damn. All these boxes in here.
I know, we need some money, bro.
Incoming range damage reduction.
Hey, bro, I think we need some money to come back here.
Max HP increase.
We got some drones. Oh, there's an upgrade thing over here.
30% additional damage to bosses. 10,000 max HP increase. Give me that.
Hey, bro, I think this is like a,
Oh, we playing some power defense. Oh,
Yeah.
Get this shit out of me. Weak ass niggas. Come here. Yeah, y'all go where I want you to go. They got these hands.
Oh! What the fuck is this?
He's a boss. Oh, I was about to bro. Alright, I'm right there beside your beast right there. Go right there. To your left. Right there. Alright. Oh, it says on spectate. Oh, I think I...
What happened?
Oh, I don't think you get revived right there or something. I don't know.
Alright, bro, we,
So,
we got fucked up. Oh, no, do we restart?
yeah, I think so. But I think we do keep some shit. So, like, maybe money or something, so we could buy... Okay, I see how it is.
Damn. Alright, I'm level 3, I guess.
Yeah, me too.
Alright.
495 VP. What the fuck that is? Let's figure it out.
Launch Anvil.
Alright. Are you still in my... You still in my thing or not?
I should be. Yeah.
I don't see your name up there.
I see yours.
Alright.
Initiating procedure
Hold on, let me,
for new exploration.
See what I can fucking buy. Can I buy this? Damn, that shit 2,000?
Yeah, bro. Alright, I'm starting.
Fault signal detected.
Hold on.
Nope. Alright.
Accessing toy worker
Max HP
system.
increase.
Toy worker, what do these do? It's like a drone. Okay.
I
Ready
think they
to
gave you some
upgrade.
buffs too. Dang, these season upgrades are fucking whack. The weapon power, next upgrade increases weapon power by 1%. So you could get a total of 10% weapon power out of that.
Ability restore. Where the fuck is restore?
Its speed increased by 2%. Oh, cause them upgrades kind of whack. Do you gotta buy the niggas? Yeah, you do. They're like 1,000. I'm gonna save up. Like just buy another nigga or something. Cause them upgrades kind of whack.
Yeah, they are.
Weak ass upgrades.
Initiating exploration system.
All right, go ahead.
Are you in that or not?
Yeah,
Right.
Starting
I'm-
planet
I'm
exploration.
loading into something right now. Are you in it?
Nope.
I told you weren't in it.
I'm saying it says I'm still on my screen.
Alright, return to lobby.
Welcome back, Master.
Master. She called me master. Kinda sounds like that GTA shit we were playing, bro. You gonna join?
For some reason the notification isn't popping up. I'll have to go and look at it. Oh, it says I'm already in it. Let me go and I'll just leave it and then send me another invite.
Alright. Alright.
Alright.
Initiating procedure for new exploration.
Cerny Galaxy. I don't know, my game froze. Is he gonna do it? Okay, it did it.
Waiting on you, bro.
I'm in here, bruh.
Go
I
ahead,
had
ready?
to load into your fucking area.
Alright, bro. Let's see if we can get to level 5. So we can unlock the new world. I think that's how it works.
Guess. I saved up my points, so I'm just gonna wait and buy
Exploration.
a different nigga instead of the weak ass upgrades.
Bro, I think this is yours. Oh, nah. I'm good.
shit's fair. I got minigun. Oh, I can't
Alright.
move and shoot though.
Increase damage. Oh, it resets on a perfect dodge. Nah, I'll do that one. Alright.
Before you teleport, you need to look at the stats of this. Reduce cooldown 2 seconds on skill, hit your enemy target. 20% skill. Oh, takes time to reach
Oh,
its
hey,
maximum
bruh. Hey, we only have 3 respawns.
Oh, okay. What's that?
Huh?
So, say that.
Can you?
Oh, I see it. Respawns left.
I can't hear you when you fucking holding the fucking button on that, bruh. Alright, peace out.
Is it that loud, bro?
Yeah, it's loud. Weapon for me, please? Nope, it's a drone. Alright, bro, I'm about to turn you down. I'm about to turn that shit down. Alright, what's up in here? Let's see. Yeah. Alright, where's the teleport thing? Oh, it's right here. Alright, peace out. Oh. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Get off me. Get off of me. Alright, bro, I'm turning that down. I am turning you down, bro.
Wow, bro.
That shit is loud.
Hey, bro, it's a minigun. What you want? Oh. Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
10% the further you are from the target.
Strong ominous force detected.
Machine gun is keeping an eye on.
Alright, bro.
50% attack power increase, 100 increase to all enemies for 30 seconds.
Alright, yeah, I need that. Alright.
Warning. Hostile presence.
I think it's so ugly. What the hell? Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Thanks. Alright, bro, go ahead and hold that button at the top of your screen, bro.
Oh, bro.
Go hold that button at the top of your screen. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Shut your ass up, nigga.
That's what I thought.
I don't know that.
Yeah, listen to me.
Nigga about to think on this
Starting
dick.
planet
Shut the fuck up.
Oh. Okay.
Tier 3 battle axe.
Let's see. Chargeable.
Tier 2.
The higher the charge level, the higher the number of attacking the same targets. Okay. Let's see. Recovers through blah blah blah. Increase damage. I'm gonna do that. Give me that one.
Missile launcher.
Alright, that's kind of
Look
garbage,
like that
but
shit from look like that shit from that dwarf game.
let's see. Reduces cooldown by 30. Alright. What's my health at? Oh, I'm good. Alright. Alright, let's go. Hey, bro, I'll freeze him.
Oh, bro. That'll take that
Oh,
nigga
no.
a minute to reload.
Oh, hey, bro, I'm dead. Right behind you. Yeah, follow that. Follow that.
Ah, this fucking bitch hurt. But chill on this.
Oh, yes, sir. This gun sucks, by the way. Hey, hey, none of that.
I died. Nigga trapped me with all this fucking shit, bro.
See you later, but okay. See you later. Alright, what is this? I think this is. No, never mind. It's fine. I'm stupid. Alright, what do we got here? Let's see. Invincible for 15 seconds with H. No. Yeah, I'll do that one. Alright, bro, that's 2. I really got 3 more. Oh, well, if I would have known, we could have bought weapons again. Oh, damn.
I'm putting that Gatling gun down. Got a tier 3 axe. I want those graviton gauntlets again. Those shits are nice.
Yeah, I'm picking that back up. These are a lot better. Increases max XP. Nah. Whatever. I'll use this poo-poo weapon. Alright, bro. You think you're good enough to get to these levels?
Yeah, it's me.
Nah, you garbage. Damn. Oh, is this like a tower defense thing?
I don't know. Ugly ass. That looking nigga. Like
Enemies
your
are
ass up.
growing stronger.
Nah, damn, what's up? Look at shit with that. Get that shit out of my face.
Let's see. Do we have to destroy these things? Like, what's going on here?
Upgrade my skill though.
I didn't even see that. Larger beam. Freeze ground for 15 seconds on use. Yeah? What the hell? Yeah? Oh. 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 Get off me.
Remember, yeah, health down low.
Hey, bro. Watch your mouth.
What is this? Attack speed. Oh, down.
Alright, I need this. Let's see. Give me that. Alright, that's all I need. You got a hammer or something over here.
Yeah, it's lower than the one I got.
Alright, peace out. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, bro, I'm getting kind of jumped. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Damn, these little fuckers hurt.
See you later, bud. See you later. Out of here. You got another hammer thing right here.
That shit wicked as fuck. It's the tier 1. Unless it's purple or yellow, I don't want that shit. They got here.
Didn't mean to do that. Alright. I don't know how to get my health back up, but yeah.
You can't. Unless there's one found this thing at the bottom.
Alright, bro, we got one respawn left.
Beware. Machine god's followers
Yeah.
have tracked you down.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, bro.
I'm out of here. See you later. Hey, bro, I got the whole server on me, bro. I got the whole server on me. Kill it. Kill
Bring what you want from me. I got the whole server on me.
Out of here. See you later. See you later. See you later. Alright.
What's this?
Both of these are
That's
yours.
so much.
Why don't I get anything, bro?
Put this back. This one. Look at this, bro. Look.
Damn!
Shit, thick as fuck.
A big ass missile. Alright, what does this do? What did we just do here? I don't know. Alright. I'm out of here.
Warning.
Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh nah. Nah.
What happened over there?
What do you do you
God damn. This shit fucked my health up. Come here. Block that shit. Oh. Oh, hold on, Brandon. Back up.
hold on. I'm putting
Unless
this.
You got him. You good?
Alright, come over here. They're gonna go to that. See if I can like lure them over here. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hold on, bro. Back up. Up. Yes. Let me get this.
Alright.
Yeah.
Acquire 50 Bitcoin. Okay, fuck you. Alright. Next planet, bro. This is the last one, I think. Oh, wait, no, it says next planet, so Oh no, we got 2 more. Alright, bro.
Starting planet exploration.
Alright, new weapon. Oh, this is a tower defense thing. Okay, fuck you. Hey, get this thing right here. Increase damage by 25% the closer you are to the target.
So when we go over there, I'm gonna kill some niggas and then run back here and buy that, and then go back up.
Alright.
Got any secrets?
Alright, bro, I'm ready.
Oh, it's a skill thing over here.
Summon an additional beast? Yes, sir. Go. Hey, get this turret, bro. Get that turret. Put this right here. There you go, bro. I got 2 beasts.
There's 100 more fucking coins. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Yep.
Appreciate that. Bring them back here. Oh, them niggas fucking our shit up.
I always be
Okay.
using that at the wrong time, bro.
Sorry, I drove it back. Hold on, let me go buy this thing over here real quick.
Hey, bro, hurry up. Hurry up. I don't know how long I can do this. Oh, wait, it's just one more enemy, right? Oh!
That nigga's dead. Alright, something fucking messed
Oh,
up.
mission
Wow.
complete, bro. Woo! No. What does it say? Increase critical 5 seconds when remaining ammo. Okay. Alright. Come over here and buy some shit. Let's see. Alright. Alright, bro, let's go. My health hella low, but that's okay.
I bought the thing that says recover
Starting
5%
planet
HP every
exploration.
like 2 seconds or something. So my health is Gucci.
Alright. Oh, hold on. Alright, knock back and deal 1000. Okay, let's see. Allies within a. Oh, hey, bro, if you're in my radius of my ice wave, you get 20% max health.
Alright.
Alright, well, you're welcome. There you go. Alright, 20% defense. Oh, oh shit. Oh, every time it reloads, it dodges, bro. Cool. Alright. Here we go, Gillis.
I got 1 respawn weapon.
Yeah, we all do. So don't die. Because all my health is going to go to you. While you're back there fighting him. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to throw one of those down. Hey, watch it.
God damn, that shit hurts. I don't know what's saying.
I don't know, bro. Hurry up, though.
Oh, bro, I'm trying to regen a little bit.
Oh, come here.
Then they got fucked me up. No, I'm regenning. Damn, bro, you just got fucked up by that shit. Yeah, missed it. Back. Let me do some of this. Slip through here.
There you go. You know, I am definitely okay with you just doing that. I don't know what your other attacks are.
Oh, it hurts for me though. I'm up close and stuff like that shit.
Alright, bro. Yeah, fight those. Yeah, fight the. Oh. I don't know what he's doing.
Oh no, artillery, bro.
Oh. 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 Okay. Something with health. Something with health. Health. Oh.
Up.
Oh. Oh!
It's invincible right now.
Oh, okay. So every time it does that, it's invincible.
Yeah, when it has like a color change. Ow!
Oh!
That's like done. Look at that last second.
Alright, bro, we gotta take his health out 3 more times. All that health, we gotta do it 3 more times. Come here, Gillis. Come here. Oh,
this
no.
shit getting kinda crazy.
Hey, bro. You like
get
those? Hold those. Okay. Alright, let me open this up. What's up in here? Alright, I don't have any coins for some reason.
Yeah. Got 64.
Warning. Danger levels will rise as time passes.
Oh, we're stronger. Yo, what is that? Over there in the corner. Oh my god, this nigga tweaking. He tweaking.
Damn, that's crazy. Damn, that's crazy.
That is crazy. He
What?
started tweaking.
Damn.
He started tweaking, bro. Level 59.
Shit.
Acquired relics.
Alright, well, I'm level 5 now. That's what's up.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm